A lot of people talking about this product right now, but is it actually worth your money? Honestly, yes, but only if you get it at the right price. So I've put the best price link in the description below. In the next few seconds, I'll show you what it does and what they don't tell you. This OWC 64GB DDR4 memory kit provides a substantial capacity boost for Synology Rackstation RS822+ and RS822RP+ systems that are hitting their limits with stock memory. The modules use error-correcting code technology, which helps protect long-gunning storage workloads from data corruption and improves overall reliability. Running at 2666 MHz with timings tuned for server-style stability, the kit delivers responsive performance without sacrificing consistency. Because these are unbuffered small outline dual-inline memory modules designed specifically for Synology compatibility, installation is straightforward, and they fit cleanly into the existing slots. The low 1.22-volt design keeps power draw and heat output modest, which is especially valuable in always-on network-attached storage environments. OWC backs this upgrade with a long-term warranty and knowledgeable support, giving extra confidence to users who depend on their network storage for critical data.